Today I'm going to be replacing these boards. Got some rotted boards that show holes, mold, right here by the door, and some holes over here. I don't want to walk around on it too much, so I'm just going to start taking it apart. And I have the new composite decking that's going to go down on it. It should look real nice. so I got all the boards off, but I cannot put the new boards on because as I was taking this apart, I found too many things wrong with the structure. One thing is it's always wet, so the grating underneath of it needs to be elevated so that the water sheds. Also, there's a board fastened to the house, the ledger board, that's rotted out, and it shouldn't be fastened to the house like that, so no air is getting in and the water is not draining, so that's causing rot on the inside of the house, so I have to get that off. There's no support under the beam on the end. Also, the joists are all split and rotted from the screws going in so deep. And water just got into those cracks and messed up the wood, so that won't hold screws if I put more screws in it. And then over here, where the beam overhangs on the pier, the beam overhangs too far, and then the wood is rotted for the beam, and then the steps are just kind of floating there with no concrete footer. So this is not getting resurfaced today. I'm going to draw up plans for a new deck, and then I'll put it back together.